Marcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects. In today's talking about sound effect is the farting sound effect from Zombie.
Hello guys, it's me, IRL Noella, and today I will talk about the farting sound effect from Zombie. It's from a video called Envious Poison, Gatcha Fart, Scat, Diarrhea. That video was uploaded today. The duration of the sound effect is 1:14 to 1:24. The total seconds are 10. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See, that's what it sounds like. The sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet, including Marco Viri, the Darker Lord, and even my Number Blocks characters. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Zombie before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description. The sound effect starts at 1:14 and ends at 1:24. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.